Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Just wanted to come on really quick. This is a very simple recipe, but I still wanted to come on. I'm a little pressed for time, but I said I have to let them know how easy this power air fryer is, or rather the air fryer period, no matter what brand you get. But anyway, I'm just going to kind of walk you through it. But I'm making chicken legs in the air fryer. These are better, and I almost hate to say it, but I love my baked chicken and it comes out really good, but this tastes even better than the baked chicken because it bakes up in the air fryer, but this comes out crisper. The skin comes out crisper, and you know, there's no coating on it. I don't put any flour on this. You can, but I don't. I like it just like this, and it comes out so good. So let me show you. I'm just going to show you about, sprayed it. I'm just going to spray the top on camera for show, but just spray with the olive oil. This helps to crisp up the skin. Okay, so it is olive oiled up front and back. Didn't do it on camera, but I'm going to go ahead and use the garlic salt. And I have several seasonings that I used, and I'm back to my old, my go-to rather, seasonings, and this basically is just 1/4 of each. I have Cajun seasoning, and you all, I want you to know that you don't have to have all these seasonings. You can use your own blend, whatever you like best. If you just have garlic, salt, and pepper, that is good. That is delicious. So don't think that you have to put on a whole bunch. So I'm just going to get these seasoned up, and like I said, just about 1/4 teaspoon. But you can have garlic powder here. You can use as much or as little as you want. But just for those who are not familiar with the amounts, about 1/4 is good. 1/4 teaspoon of each seasoning is good. That was pepper I just put on, and this. Okay, I had to go back. That bottle was not even open. This is my little bit I have left in this containers. I don't like to open up new containers before time. Let me use all of this up. I know a lot of people probably wouldn't think about using Italian seasoning, but this is very good. It just adds a brightness to your dishes, especially to your meats. So what you're going to do is go ahead and massage this in front and back sides, get it all over your chicken, and we're going to get it into the air fryer. All right, we're going to go ahead again with the Crisco. And you guys, if you do not have the Crisco olive oil spray, if you just have regular olive oil, you can do that. You can just pour some on a pastry brush or a cooking brush and, kind of baste or brush the inside. But if you have the non-stick spray or the olive oil, use that. All right, we're gonna get these in here. And you all, it's just this easy. It is just this easy. Push that up around there. You usually have to wait about, let's see, an hour and so for baked chicken, a little bit over an hour. That's how long I usually bake mine. But you all, in a good 20 minutes from seasoning to having it on the table, you can have this done in like 20 minutes. 25 minutes. Depending on how fast or slow you move. But then the actual machine takes about 18 minutes or so to get it ready. That's a big time saver. You can spritz it again with a little olive oil. Okay, we're gonna get it to 390 and say about 16 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and start that. I'm going to come back and flip it over like halfway through, show you the progress. Okay, I'm stopping it at 6 minutes. You can hear it sizzling and popping. I'm going to go ahead and spritz it with olive oil. Olive oil is good for you, especially extra virgin olive oil is good for you. So I'm not overdoing it. And of course, I always forget on camera, sometimes off, but you want to use tongs. Okay, so I've gotten it flipped over. Go ahead and put it in. All right, so start it up and I'll show you what it looks like after 6 minutes. It has stopped after 6. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So it looks pretty good, but I'm going to let it go for 3 more minutes and then I'll let it sit. Let's see here. Back down. 3. And then I'm going to let it sit and kind of steam a little bit. The skin will still be real crunchy, but just let the juices settle and everything, and I will be back. Okay, it just beeped. I missed a little beeping. It beeps about 5 or 6 times. So it's been 3 minutes, and I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes, and I'll let you see. So that will be a total of, what, 18, but that would be a total of 23 minutes. Okay, they've been sitting for 5 minutes and they look really good. Really, really good. So I'm going to plate them up. Okay, I'm going to pour the juices from the chicken. Ooh, look, and it's golden brown. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera real good, but it is golden brown, the juices, and oh my goodness. It just looks so good.